Okay, today we'll see in orthogonal condition some more problems. Let us finish off this chapter today. Find the equation of the circle which passes from which intersects the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 11 is equal to 0 plus 11 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 21 is equal to 0 orthogonally and diameter is along the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Solution: let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now this is a required circle. Okay. Now we should have three conditions. Two circle size given, diameter. So three conditions are there. So use these conditions. Okay. Is the required circle. Okay. Orthogonal condition is c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Right? Now for x square plus y square minus 4x 11 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to minus 4, 2f dash is equal to minus 6, c dash is 11, minus 3. So c plus c dash, c minus plus 11 is equal to 2 into g dash minus 2, 2f into f dash minus 3. So c plus 11 is equal to minus 4g minus 6f plus c plus 11 is equal to 0. First equation, right? Second, for x square plus y square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to minus 10, 2f dash is equal to minus 4, c dash is equal to 21. So g dash is equal to minus 5, f dash is equal to minus 2. Again c plus 21 is equal to 2g into minus 5, 2f into minus 2. c plus 21 is equal to minus 10g minus 4f. Bring the term this side. Plus c plus 21 is equal to 0. Second equation. Next, what is that? It says diameter is along the line. Diameter means center on the line. What is the line? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So it becomes minus 2g minus 3f is equal to 7, or 2g plus 3f plus 7 is equal to 0. Third equation. So you got three equations. I told you three conditions, three equations. Now, first and second. What is the first equation? 4g plus 6f plus c plus 11 is equal to 0. What is the second equation? 10g plus 4f plus c plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus, 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 minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 6g plus 2f minus n is equal to 0. Cancel with the minus 2 table. 3g minus f plus 5 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Cancel by minus 2. What is the third equation? 2g plus 3f plus 7 is equal to 0. Third equation. Right? Now solve again cross multiplication method. G, F, 1. Put a line, put a line, put a line. Start from the F minus 1, 5, 3, minus 1. We are doing so many problems based on this concept, sir. Learn this method in next one, sir. 3, 7, 2, 2, 3. Therefore, G by minus 7 minus 15 F by 10 minus 21 is equal to 1 by 9 minus of minus 2. So, G by minus 22 F by minus 11 1 by 11, which will give you G is equal to minus 22 by 11 minus 2. What is the F value? Minus 1. Okay, we got G value, F value. Okay, let us see. So, we have to find C value. Put in first equation. What is the first equation? 4g. G value how much we got? Minus 2 plus 6f. F value minus 1 plus C plus 11 is equal to 0. So, this becomes minus 8 plus 11 is equal to 0. C minus 3 is equal to 0. C is equal to 3. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 2gx. So, minus 4x minus 6y, sorry, minus 2y, because f value, y value we have to put, and c value plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So, three conditions, solving them. Okay, please note down. Next, find the equation of the circle passing from two comma 0, 0 comma 2 and orthogonal to 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Solution. Let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the required circle. Okay, first point 2 comma 0 on it. So, x is replaced by 2. So, 4 plus 0 plus 4g plus c. So, x is replaced by 2, y is replaced by 0. So, this becomes 4, this is 0, this is 4g, this is 0 and plus c. So, what will happen? 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. First equation. What is second point? 0 comma 2 on it. So, means what? Again x is 0, y is 2. 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. X is replaced by 0, y is replaced by 2. So, we are getting this equation. Again, what is the equation? 4f plus 4 plus c is equal to r. C plus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now, he says orthogonal. So, we have tried orthogonal condition. Orthogonal condition is what, sir? C plus c dash 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Now, look at here. For 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Rewrite this, what we say? Rewrite this as x square plus y square plus 5 by 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. I am dividing by 2, sir. Now, 2g dash is equal to 5 by 2, 2f dash is equal to minus 3, c dash is equal to 2, 5 by 4. What is f dash? Minus 3 by 2. Right? Therefore, c plus c dash 2g into g dash 5 by 4, 2f into minus 3 by 2. c plus 2 is equal to, this will be 5g by 2 minus 3f. I am cancelling two tables, sir. Bring the term this side. Minus 5g by 2 plus 3f plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Third equation. So what I have done? I have divided, sir. So what will happen? This becomes 2g dash is equal to 5 by 2, 2f dash is equal to minus 3, c dash is equal to 2. So g dash is equal to 5 by 4, f dash is minus 3 by 2. Then c plus 2 is equal to 2g into g dash is 5 by 4, f dash is minus 3 by 2. So cancellation will give you this. So this is the third equation. Now solve 1 and 2 first. 1 and 2. What is the first equation? 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Next one, 4f plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Subtract c, these two will get cancelled. 4g minus 4f is equal to 0. Therefore, 4g is equal to 4f, which is g is equal to f. What is that we got? G is equal to f. Put in third equation. So, replace g with f, sir. Plus 3f plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So, what? Okay, before doing this, we will take 1 and 3 you solve. Let us solve 1 and 3. So, what is the first equation? 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Next, 5g by 2 plus 3f plus c plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, I am solving 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So, plus, minus, 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 c will get cancelled. So, what will happen? 4g plus 5g by 2, which will give you 8 means 13g by 2. So, this will be 13g by 2 and this will be minus 3f plus 2 is equal to 0. But we know g is equal to f. Already we got g is equal to f. We will put here. So, 13 by 2 f minus 3f plus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply with 2 table, 13f minus 6f plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply by 2, sir. So, what will happen? This becomes 13f minus 6f plus 2. So, this becomes 7f plus 4 is equal to 0. So, 7f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 4 by 7. Therefore, g is also minus 4 by 7. Now, we got g value, f value. We have to find c value. Okay, please note down up to here. Every time we are getting 3 conditions, right? We will put in the first equation. What is the first equation? 4g plus c plus 4. What is g value we got? G and f are same. So, minus 4 by 7 plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4 is equal to 0. LCM is 7. Minus 16 plus 7c plus 28 is equal to 0. 7c plus 12 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication 0 into 7 is 0. What is the c value? Minus 12 by 7. You got g value, f value, c value. Therefore, circle equation x square plus y square plus 2gx means minus 8 by 7 minus 12 by 7 equal to 0. Right? So, 3 conditions, 2 points, orthogonal condition. Okay, please note down this. Now, find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle which intersects following circles orthogonally. Okay. The circle equations are x square plus y square plus 2x plus 17y plus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 7x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. X square plus y square 0. Okay. So now 3 circles are given. Solution: let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Plus c is equal to 0. Okay, orthogonal condition. C plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash, right? Now for x square plus y square plus 2x plus 17y plus 4 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to 2, f dash is equal to 17, c dash is equal to 4, g dash is equal to 1, f dash is equal to 17 by 2, right? Therefore, first c plus 4 is equal to 2g into 1 plus 2f into 17 by 2, right? Therefore, c plus 4 is equal to 2g plus 17f. Okay, then what will happen? First equation. What is the second? For x square plus y square plus 7x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to 7, 2f dash is equal to 6, c dash is equal to 11. So what is g dash? 7 by 2. F dash 3. Again, c plus 11 is equal to 2g into 7 by 2, 2f into 3. So c plus 11 is equal to 2 will get cancelled, 7g plus 6f. Bring the term this side. We are formulating equation, sir. Second equation. Again, for x square plus y square minus x plus 22y plus 3 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to minus 1, 2f dash is equal to 22, c dash is equal to 3, f dash is equal to 11. Therefore, c plus 3 is equal to 2g into minus 1 by 2, 2f into 11. So this becomes minus g, cancellation, 2 will get cancelled. This will be 22f. So g minus 22f plus c plus 3 is equal to 0. Third equation. So I told you every time we have 3 conditions. So we have got 3 equations, 3 conditions. Now solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation, sir? Here. Minus 2g minus 17f plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 6f plus c plus 11 is equal to 0. Subtract. Cancel. So this becomes 5g minus 11f minus 7 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Next, 1 and 3. What is the first equation? Minus 2g minus 17f plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. What is third equation? G minus 22f plus c plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus plus minus minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 3g plus 5f plus 1 is equal to 0. Fifth equation. Now you got? Again 2 equations have come. Okay. So minus. Now we have to solve for g and f. For g and f. Okay. Means what? Solve 4 and 5. Again our method g, f, 1. Put a line, put a line, put a line. So minus 11, minus 7, 5, minus 11. Next 5, 1, minus 3, 5. Therefore, g by minus 11 plus 35. Minus 11, minus of minus is plus 35. Then f by 21 minus 21 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 25 minus 33. So 25, everything is cross multiplication. So what will happen now? G by 24, F by 16, 1 by minus 8. So G value 24 by minus 8 minus 3. F value 16 by minus 8 minus 2. You got G value, F value. Put in 1. What is the first equation? Minus 2G. G value minus 3 means 6. Plus 34 plus C plus 4 is equal to 0. So C is equal to minus 44. Okay, observe here. 3 conditions. Solve 1 and 2, solve 1 and 3. Then 4 and 5 by cross multiplication method. Directly you get G value, F value. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 2gx minus 6x minus 4y minus 44 is equal to 0. Right? Complete problem. There is one more problem of this model. Let us see that also. Now, find the equation of a circle which intersects the following circles orthogonally. Circle equations are this, sir. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second one, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Six x plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0. Again 3 circles are given. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And for orthogonal condition, c plus c dash is equal to 2ff dash, right? So for x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to 2, f dash is equal to 4, c dash is equal to 1. So g dash is equal to 1, f dash is equal to 2. Therefore, c plus 1 is equal to 2g into 1 plus 2f into 2. Therefore, c plus 1 is equal to 2g plus 4f. Right? Observe here, 2g plus 4f. Bring the term this side. Plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. First equation. Again, for x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. 6. C dash is equal to minus 3. What is g dash? Minus 1. F dash is 3. Therefore, c minus 3 is equal to 2g into 1 plus 2f into 3. So, c minus 3 is equal to minus 2g plus 6f. Bring the term this side. 2g minus 6f plus c minus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now, look at the third one. Rewrite 2 into x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0. So, it becomes x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Right? Now, 2g dash is equal to 3, 2f dash is equal to 4, c dash is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, g dash is equal to 3 by 2, f dash is equal to 2. Therefore, let us put orthogonal condition. C plus c dash. C dash is what, sir? Minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2g into g dash 3 by 2 plus 2f into 2. So, this becomes c minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3g plus 4f. Bring the term this side. Minus 3g minus 4f plus c minus 3 by 2 is equal to, I am bringing the term this side, sir. There is no sign change here. This is the third equation. Now solve 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Minus 2g minus 4f plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. What is second equation? 2g minus 6f plus c minus 3 is equal to 0. Subtract minus plus minus plus. These two will get cancelled. What that we get? Minus 4g plus 2f plus 4 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 2 table. So what will happen? Minus 2g plus f plus 2 is equal to 0. Fourth equation. Again 1 and 3. What is the first equation? Here. Minus 2g minus 4f plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the third equation? Minus 3g minus 4f plus c minus 3 by 2. Observe here what will happen now. Plus plus minus plus. C will get cancelled, f also will get cancelled. That is important. So both c and f will get cancelled. Here only one term, but here f also will get cancelled. So minus 2g plus 3g means what? G. Here 1 plus 3 by 2 means 5 by 2 is equal to, you know very well, 1 plus 3 by 2. LCM is 1, 2 is LCM, so 5 by 2. What is the g value? Minus 5 by 2. So you got g value. So put in the fourth equation directly. What we have to do? Put in the fourth equation. So minus 2 into g value, how much we got? Minus 5 by 2 plus f plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 5 plus f plus 2 is equal to 0. F is equal to minus 7. So what I have done? Minus 5 by 2 I have put in this equation. First equation. Minus 2g minus 4f. Minus 4f plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. So what will happen? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Sorry, fourth equation is this. Sorry, minus 2g, g value minus 5 by 2 plus f, correct only, is equal to 0. So 5 will get cancelled. 5 plus f plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the f value? Minus 7. You got g value, f value. Put in 1 now. First equation. Now first equation is this. Minus 2 into g minus 5 by 2. F value minus 7. So minus of minus will become plus 28 plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. 5, 2 will get cancelled. 5. 5 plus 28 plus 1. 5 plus 28 plus c plus 1 is equal to, c is equal to minus 34. You got g value, f value. So what happened here? When you solve 1 and 3, directly you get f g value. Put this g value in the fourth equation. Then you get f value. With f value we get c value. We can put in first equation, second equation, any equation we can put. So I am putting in the first equation. Therefore circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into minus 5 by 2x plus 2 into f value minus 7y minus 34 is equal to 0. So this becomes 5x minus 14y minus 34 is equal to 0. Right? Understand here? So with this we have finished system of circles. In system of circles mainly you have to remember this orthogonal condition problems are. These are 4 marks weightage. One problem will come with the old pattern. It is 1 4 marks, 1 2 marks. So with this you get 1 4 marks question, sir. And next class we are going to start the integration, which has got weightage about 22 marks, sir. In the old weightage it is, as per the old weightage, 22 marks are there. So circles is 22 marks, sorry, circles is 22 marks, system of circles 6 marks, and integration is 18 marks. Totally these 3 chapters will give you 48 marks. Remember that. So circles is 22 marks, system of circles 8 marks, and integration 18 marks. So if you learn these 3 chapters, you get 48 marks. So please understand integration. Any doubts are there, you can put in a group, sir. Somebody yesterday Altaf has put some doubt, and other person also have put the doubt. Okay, doubts about that you can put in the our groups are okay, first year and second year group you can put. Immediately I am clarifying the doubts. Okay, wherever you got, particularly in integration, if you got lot of doubts will come, please put the doubts, sir. Even circles and system of circles also, wherever you got doubt, how this equation has come, if you ask, I will explain you immediately in WhatsApp. Please put your doubts in the WhatsApp. Okay, let us start tomorrow onwards integration.